Hello boys and girls, this is Miss Wheeler. We're going to do one of your favorite things to do, play Kahoot. This is in order to help you prepare for the upcoming EQTs. What you see here are 10 questions, and some of you can probably guess what they are, just simply which technique is being used, simply by scrolling through and saying, oh, I think I know what this one is. Oh, I'm sure this is when an ad uses a celebrity or a regular person to talk about their experience. Whoop, yes, it's a testimonial. And I just accidentally showed you that answer. So let's scroll up from here and get out of that. Okay, guys. So what you're going to do, as you can see, I'm going to post a challenge. This is your homework. Now what you see here is when it's, let's change this date. I don't want anything due on a Friday. We're too worn out. Let's go Wednesday, November 28th, and it's going to be available for you to participate in your homework. Let's say all of you should be getting ready for bed about 8 o'clock. Maybe not. Alright. So, now what I'm fixing to do is hit create, and you're going to use your device, either your computer at home or your cell phone. You must have the KAHOOT app downloaded. So let's create a homework. Okay guys, here's your challenge. It's live until November 28th, 2018 until 8 p.m. So everybody should be able to get this. Now, I'm going to share this on Remind. Okay? But what you need to do is write down this pin right here. 0680734. Now I'm going to send it through the Remind app, which all of you have or your parents have. Okay? Now this is the web link challenge, but I don't think y'all will need that. Let's just see here. I'm gonna put share on Remind, and hopefully my Remind comes up. Okay. Alright, little time to load. Alright. Now, I'm not going to log in like this. This is for me to show you. But you should find it on your web. Alright, let's go back to that. Alright, so I'm going to copy this challenge pin. Let's share on the Google Classroom. Continue. Alright, I don't want to use that website. I want to use my email. Okay. Oh snap. Well, forgive me guys. Y'all can't see what I'm typing in. It is asking me to verify. That's just a technicality. Well, fiddly-doo. Okay, I guess it doesn't like that, so let me get out of that. Alright, teachers, this is what you'll find, and I'm going to copy, let's see, let me copy that. Done. Alright, guys, so when you go in, you're going to hit play, and it's really fun homework. Yes, I hear your questions already. Miss Wheeler, how are you going to tell which one of us did it and which one of us didn't? Well, you see this little button right here? It says reports. So it will tell me how many of you played. It will list your names. Challenges in progress. I accidentally did that twice. But when all of you, oh well, it's okay. When all of you play, it's going to show me right here. So that's how you're going to earn your grade. Okay? Any questions? Alright. Let's see what's new at KAHOOT. I'm just playing here. Okay. This is an advertisement, guys. Can you believe it? There are many teachers at KAHOOT that use this, and some of you already know about. Alright, guys. I hope you'll use this app. We will, for those of you that think you're going to get out of it, no, you're not. When you come to school, you're going to be able to participate anyway. But you'll do it at your own pace. And you'll just have to have some class time. Well, this won't let me go back. Alright. I should not have clicked on that. Okay. Thank you. Hope y'all have enjoyed this. And I look forward to seeing your grades and your participation and testing your knowledge. Okay? Alright? So there's only 10 questions, guys. That's all it is. So it's not that much. Okay? Hope you enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.